Alright, what you see here is a Craftmade CXL fan. Chain's very short on it. Kind of like one that Cracker Barrel. It's on a 3-speed fan control now. Start off on high. Has a loud start button. You see the living room fan right there, which I'll show later. Now I'm in medium. It's very noisy when I turn the knob down. This is faster. If I turn this all the way down, maybe it'll go slower. Yeah, I think medium doesn't work. I think it only works on high and low. I'll turn off. Stop it. Swinging. That is it. That is the 5200 Craftmade CXL fan installed in the. This fan is also installed in the master bedroom at a condo in Vail, Colorado. But that is it. Hope you enjoyed it. Leave a comment, rate, subscribe.